In the quiet fields where the sun meets the earth, the journey of fabric begins. Cotton bolls burst open like soft white clouds, ready to be gathered by hand or swept gently by machines. Each delicate fiber carries the warmth of the land it grew upon. From the fields, the cotton travels to the gin, where ancient seeds are separated from new potential. What remains is pure fiber, soft, clean, and full of promise, pressed into bales and sent to the heart of the spinning mill. Here, the cotton awakens once again. Powerful blowroom machines open the bales, lifting the fibers into the air, cleaning them, blending them, preparing them for transformation. In carding, millions of tiny filaments are aligned into a single unified strand, the first true form of the yarn to come. For the finest fabrics, the cotton moves through combing, where only the longest, strongest fibers survive. The rest fall away like dust, leaving behind a silkier, more refined sliver. The journey continues to drawing, where multiple slivers merge and stretch together, gaining strength and uniformity. Then comes roving, a gentle twist, a soft tension, shaping the fibers into something ready to become real yarn. Finally, in the spinning frame, the real magic happens. The roving is drawn out, twisted at breathtaking speed, and reborn as yarn, strong, smooth, and perfectly crafted. It is wound, inspected, and prepared for its next chapter. From the quiet whisper of the cotton field to the rhythmic pulse of the spinning machines, this is the story of yarn, the very first thread in the creation of every fabric we wear.